So now let's see how we can use the clear formatting option inside of Google Docs document. So over here you can see that I got a bunch of paragraphs and I have some formatting applied right here. But if I want to revert it back onto its default format, I can simply select out a part of the paragraph or the section that I want to change to default format to, and then go into format and click on clear formatting. The shortcut for it is Ctrl+/ right here. So if I were to click on this, you can see that it removed out the bold, the italics, and even the indentation right here. So this usually comes handy when you paste out some content out of the website. For example, if I were to go over here onto Wikipedia page right here, there are a bunch of formattings right here. So let's say I need to copy this out by pressing Ctrl+C and by pressing Ctrl+V right here. So there's a different font right here and everything else. And then it might not be the format that you want to work with. So what you can simply do is you can go into format right here, click on clear formatting, and you can see that it changes the format out into the default Google Docs font and the line spacing and everything else right here. So you can now work around with it in the format that you want, just like that. Of course, the hyperlinks are not removed out, so it is totally up to you if you want to remove out the hyperlinks. But this is how you can quickly revert it back onto the format into the Google Docs native format that you want to work with. So that is how you can work with clear formatting options inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.